Hello, everyone, and thank you for your time. Today, I'm going to be presenting three enterprise-grade monitoring options that support both Linux and Windows servers, compare their trade-offs, and provide my recommendation for what we should adopt. Why this matters. So, in a hybrid infrastructure, whether it be on-prem, cloud, or virtual machines, we must detect failures, performance degradation, and capacity issues proactively. A robust monitoring platform sends alerts, stores historical metrics, and supports dashboards and scales as we grow, all without becoming a maintenance burden. Option one, we have Datadog. Datadog is a commercial, fully managed monitoring and observability platform. It supports Linux, Windows, containers, cloud, and integrates logs, traces, and metrics. Pricing, it's free for up to 5 hosts. The pro tier is about $15 per month per host. The enterprise tier is about $23 a month per host. Deployment, you can install its agents on each server, Linux and Windows, and the data is sent to the Datadog cloud. Optionally, you can deploy hybrid forwarders for data locality or regulatory constraints. Some of the pros would be minimal ops overhead. Datadog handles scaling, updates, high availability. Strong dashboards, anomaly detection, alerting, and built-in integration. Some of the cons would be recurring per host costs, data egress, and retention costs. Reliance on a third-party service. If internet connectivity is lost, you may lose visibility. Option two, we have Zabbix. Zabbix is an enterprise class open source monitoring platform that supports Linux, Windows applications, network devices, SNMP, a couple other things. The cost for this, the software is free to use, no per device license fees. Support or professional services are optional. The deployment is typically self-hosted, so on our infrastructure, either VM or physical, with Zabbix servers, proxies, and agents. You need to manage scaling, HA, backups, updates, and etc. Some of the pros are there's no license fees, there's full control over data, customizable, strong community, flexible alerting, and templating. Some of the cons would be it requires internal effort, so DevOps time, scaling and high availability design are our responsibility. Initial setup and tuning can be labor intensive. Option three. So we have Checkmark. Checkmark is a hybrid model. There's a free raw edition or open source and a commercial enterprise edition with advanced features. For example, distributed monitoring, auto scaling, business metrics, more UI polishes. The cost of this, the enterprise version is licensed. Price depends on number of hosts or devices. The free edition can scale quite far but lacks some enterprise bells and whistles. Deployment, usually self-hosted on our server or a private cloud, but can also integrate with uh, remote site monitors. Pros, it's mature, has a good community, relatively lower overhead among self-hosted tools, good balance of features versus complexity, flexible topology for distributed sites, And some of the cons would be some advanced features are locked to commercial edition, as with any self-hosted tool. You assume operational burden. And here I've kind of provided a comparison matrix for each of the three options. We have ops overhead, cost model, data ownership, some of the feature richness, and scalability. So my recommendation is more of a hybrid approach for mission critical systems and operations where we want to offload maintenance and get strong analytics quickly. Datadog would be the best fit. For bulk, low criticality systems or environments with data sensitivity, regulatory constraints, we should adopt Zabbix or the free edition in a self-hosted fashion. If we prefer a more unified self-hosted solution without as heavy a burden as Zabbix, Checkmark Enterprise is a sensible middle ground. If I had to pick one, I would recommend Datadog for core infrastructure, supplemented by Zabbix for less critical systems to control costs. That gives us a best of both worlds approach. And yeah, so in this slide, I kind of go over the next steps as far as how we'd integrate this into our environment. Um, First, you'd start by, a pilot or, a test run of Datadog on critical systems with their 30-day trial. Maybe deploy Zabbix or Checkmark for secondary workloads. Evaluate performance, cost, and staff overload or workload, really. And then decide on a full rollout strategy from there. So kind of just see which one fits best. But a hybrid approach would probably be best. And those are my three suggestions. Thank you so much for your time.